Individuals who fly off the handle with one another over the most moronic of things are, as a rule, the ones who care the most. Men in stable connections are better live longer and have diminished nervousness and stress. On the off chance that a man cherishes a lady's spirit, he will end cherishing one lady. However, in the event that he adores a lady's face or body, every one of the ladies in the world will not fulfill him. Unfamiliar. The most horrendously terrible individual to be around is somebody who whines about everything and doesn't value anything. Works on your confidence and open your brain to different decisions and perspective. He won't ever underestimate you. He will constantly keep you above everything else. He will battle for yourself and not with you. Overthinking can make the brain experience close to home headaches, which prompts sorrow. We frequently subliminally reflect the body language of individuals. We feel clung to music. A man who loves you the most is the man who fills you the most truth in about yourself. Crying is quite sound. Tears grease up your eyes, eliminate aggravations, and decrease pressure, making you feel quite a bit improved. Brain science says being distant from everyone else for a long time is as awful for your well-being as smoking 15 cigarettes every day. He knows you the manner in which he realizes his own shadow, his own spirit, his own life. Once in a while, believing a companion is the hardest thing to do. Unfamiliar can turn into your foes, brain science says. Assuming that you prevail in conning somebody, don't imagine that individual is adult. Understand that the individual believed you more than you merited. Genuine men remain dedicated. They lack opportunity and energy to search for another lady, since they are excessively bustling, looking for better approaches to adore their own. Individuals who are entertaining are popular in the event that you feel bashful while checking out somebody's eyes. Check their nose out. All things being equal, individuals can't differentiate. It takes a genuine man to understand that one lady is sufficient. Drinking liquor during pregnancy and make a kit of modified facial highlights hindered development and mental or conduct deficiencies, known as fetal liquor disorder (FAS). A man generally recollects the one who has enraptured the man's psyche. Connections are more earnestly now on the grounds that discussions become messaging, contentions become calls, and sentiments become notices. A genuine man focuses on his woman. She merits, gives her every one of his loves, calls her lovely, and deals with her like a sovereign. The absolute keep-going individual at the forefront of your thoughts. Previously you shut your eyes around evening time is by the same token the justification behind your bliss or torment. Brain science says without correspondence, there is no relationship. Without regard, there is no adoration. Without trust, there's not a glaringly obvious explanation to precede. A kid will let you know he cherishes you. However, a genuine man will show it. Phantophobia is the feeling of dread toward losing somebody you love. Fortunate is the one who is the principal love of a lady, yet more fortunate is the one who is the last love of a man.